Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to find and install apps and games. Method 1. Go to this apps tab, go down, select this search field. This is a search field for apps and games. Select it, then here you can type the name of the app that you want to search. Let me type Apple here. So I am going to search Apple TV app. Here you can see the search result. Here you can see the Apple TV. Set it. From here you can install this app. Similarly, you can search for games as well. This is the method 1. So let me go to method 2. Method 2. Go to settings. Set all settings from top right corner. Go to apps. Go down. Set see all apps. Here you can see list of all apps installed in this device. Go down. Select show system apps. Then go down. Under system apps, we need to find Google Play Store. Go down and here you can see Google Play Store. Set it. Then select open. So this way we can directly open Google Play Store app. Then if you go to top, here you can see the app section. Under app section, you can find all apps that we can install. You can also find this game section. See. So we also get this search here. So we can search from here as well. So let me do the same search. See. See, from here we can install app or game. So these are the two methods. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.